Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to recover Facebook account without password or email. First thing first, go ahead and open your browser, then type in Help Center, Facebook Help Center. Now once you've accessed this Help Center form, what you can do is go ahead and tap on this search button and type in recover your Facebook account if you can't access your account email address or mobile phone number. Now, once you've clicked on it, you will be redirected to a new link. From here, you can try this link as given by Facebook, or what you can do is go ahead and you can try to re-log in with your old password and your phone number, and Facebook will usually send you a notification or some sort of a security code to your another logged in device, from which you can access to your new device, from which you can access your account from that particular device. Or what you can do is go ahead and tap in forgot password option from your Facebook, and you will be sent to a new window where you will be given option like security check, and you will be able to post your selfie video. And once you've posted it and send it to this Facebook, they will look into it, and within 24-hour window your account should be accessible. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.